popping. Go Chuck Yourself Challenge at Holy Chucks. We're about to get this shit popping.
Do you have to do the milkshake and the burger?
Yeah, in 6 minutes. Oh my goodness. A minute 25 is a hard record to beat. I wish I could see that nigga's video doing
But
that. That's insane.
as long as you still do it within 6 minutes.
Yeah, I'd like to
you're
go for the
on
record. Yeah. That was quick.
My brother, you will have to wait for 5-6 minutes
Uh-huh.
Yep.
because it's very hot.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, thank you very much.
And milkshake coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
I don't know. I feel kind of confident now looking at it, man.
Yeah?
Presentation, grilled cheese bun.
Yeah, man. I like. All right, here comes the shake. The milkshake vanilla.
All right, vanilla milkshake.
All right.
All right, thank you very much, brother. That's beef. Fake. What's that?
They give you a nice thick straw for the milkshake. You just get
This milkshake is gonna be the kicker, I think. Depending on, this looks pretty thick towards the top. I know it's towards, when you get more towards the bottom, it's gonna be a little more liquidy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's gonna be the biggest hurdle, I think. You have
Yeah.
confidence?
Hot sauce, what are you thinking?
I think you can
What do you think?
I hope he makes it.
Yeah?
Well, here's the thing, right? Like that milkshake, I think is going to be the deciding factor at the end of the day. So the burger looks doable, right? But it's the milkshake that's the kicker.
It's my first meal of the day, hot sauce. First meal of the day. Is this.
Yeah. It's going to be interesting. Can't wait to see it.
It's gonna be good, man.
Making me hungry already.
Give me a countdown.
And if you're feeling like choking, you can stop it.
Okay.
That's alright. I came to win.
I have faith in my boy. I have faith in him. That's why I brought him here.
Are you
Ready?
ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Yep. You can do it, Tris.
You're killing it. You're killing it.
Captain, you're doing good, man.
Come on, Captain. Come on, Captain. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, here we go.
Oh, he's doing good, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Just
Thank you.
awesome. Thank you. Keep going. Good. Got 14 seconds left on the record.
It's all good.
Oh, you're killing it. You're killing it. You got this, Tristan. You got this.
You got this, brother. You got this. You got this.
Man's making me real hungry. He's got this. He's got this. It's in the bag. It's in the bag. How much time we got left here? No, 4 minutes. 4 minutes left? Yeah. You can slow down a bit.
No, let him do his thing. Don't get him out of the zone. Let him do his thing.
You can just take a second. Man, he's killing it.
Yeah, man.
Oh my goodness.
Captain's killing that shit.
Wow. Insanity.
That's my boy, Tristan, man. That's a captain right there.
No, brain freeze.
Brain freeze? Oh, are you almost there?
He's got burger tacos over here. this.
He got this. He got this. 3 minutes.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. You can make it. Wonderful. Wow. Go, Captain, go. You got this.
Nice. Not a boy, Captain. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh,
You got this. You got
let's
this.
go. You got this. One last punch.
Nice.
Get it.
Come on,
Get it.
Captain.
Finish it up.
Captain.
You
Captain.
got this.
Captain. Come on.
Captain.
You got it. He got this. He got this.
Alrighty.
Look at that, boy. I saw you say you can't do this or what?
No, I said the milkshake was going to be tough. I think he's close to the end of the
Wow.
shake, too.
Nice. That a boy.
Bam. Clean the plate. That's how we do it.
Hey, Captain. Captain. Hey. That's it.
Go.
How we looking?
Yeah, buddy.
4 minutes and 40 seconds. Nice, nice, nice.
Hell yeah.
That a boy. Respect. Nice, nice.
You did the thing, man.
How you do? How you feeling?
I feel good. That's actually a really good burger, man.
Yeah. Ah.
Mess. I'll check it out.
All right, just got off the Go Chuck Yourself challenge. I think I could have did better if I didn't do two things. I think it was still way too hot when I started, and like the patties, it burnt the roof of my mouth. This Coke, yeah, that's a rookie mistake. The milkshake saved me. If I didn't have that milkshake, it would have been a lot harder. A lot harder. Pause. But it was good, man. I think I could even shave like a couple minutes off my time if I would have waited for it to cool down and heat the milkshake up like my brother did for me here. But it's a very good burger. Even though I didn't have time to really taste it, it was pretty good, man. Caramelized onions, really nice, well done. You gonna run the challenge, bro?
I don't know, maybe.
How were the fries? How were the fries?
Fries were awesome.
Good?
Yeah, well seasoned, well salted, not overdone. They were a little short, but they were nice.
Short.
Yeah. So
Something
they weren't
different.
very long. The fries weren't very long, so it was hard to pick up, dip them.
So Tristan, from 1 to 10, how do you rate that whole challenge?
All right, so on the quality scale, I'd say it was pretty good, pretty up there. Obviously, I couldn't enjoy it as much because I was like rushing. I like the way they did the grilled cheese bread. It was really nice. I'd probably give it like a 7.8 out of 10 in terms of taste. In terms of difficulty, I think there's a lot of ways that you can shave off time and get close to the record, but probably not beat it. Maybe like in sub 2 minutes if you're lucky. Difficulty, I'd probably say it's like a 5 out of 10. It's not that hard.
Yeah, you want to do it in 125, you got to Scooby-Doo that. Suck it up.
Yeah,
Alright, so we are gonna do some more challenges or what?
Hey,
Are you looking forward to doing some more?
let's run it up. One dub under my belt right there. I'm gonna be up on that wall from the left side, the winner's side.
Anything else?
Shout out my brother Rory. Shout out my brother Hot Sauce. We do our thing, you know?
Guys, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please share. Tell your friends, tell everybody. Please, it would help to grow the channel. I really would appreciate it. Thank you, guys.